Welcome to Qiuguo Hotel Beijing Convention Center Birds Nest Beiyuan. You can easily book your stay and find more details by scanning the QR code or checking the description below. Our hotel is perfectly situated in the lively heart of Beijing, offering an ideal base for both business and leisure travelers to explore the city's many attractions. At Qiuguo Hotel, you'll find cozy accommodations designed to provide a relaxing space after your day's adventures. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, and checkout is also at 2 p.m., allowing for a relaxed departure. We want you to be aware that while families are welcome, children do not stay free and additional fees may apply. We offer room service, so you can enjoy meals in the comfort of your room, and we have express check-in and check-out to make your arrival and departure as smooth as possible. Free breakfast is provided. Parking is available for your convenience. Experience the ease and comfort of staying at Qiuguo Hotel. Don't forget to scan the QR code to book your stay and make the most of your trip.